What's going on, YouTube? We're back at it with another video. This video we're gonna be at our local grove, just hitting some jumps, going over some hills, popping some wheelies. You already know how it is. So let's just make sure there's no cars here, and we'll go in with a wheelie. We'll start out the video off right. You already, let's get this. The whole way to the jump. That's how we do it here. Let's hit this other jump. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with this area from my last video. But you guys haven't seen me really rip these trails. I mean, really rip this grove. Last video was mostly about comparing both of my bikes and talking about them. This video is going to be mainly riding. I'll probably get some phone shots as well. I'm gonna get some phone shots as well. I have my assistant here, my beautiful assistant. We're trying to get some good. We're gonna get some good shots. So yeah, that she's ripping. I really love this spot, man. It's really, no one really bothers you here. Too many dead branches, honestly. That's the one thing I don't like. There it is. Let's scare her, let's scare her. Watch out, watch out! So yeah, like I was saying, oh no, we gotta get that out the way. No, we do not want that. Let me park my bike up here real quick. Oh, I can't. Fuck. Let's leave the bike here real quick. We'll tip it over. Let's turn it off. We do not want to hit this mid-jump. Who the hell would place this here? I know damn well it wasn't me. Dang, I should get too tired. Let's move these out of the way. We don't want no casualties. Woo! So yeah, this is, like I said, you guys can go ahead and take a look at the other video. I give a better breakdown of my bike. God, look how dirty it is. Woo! This white really brings out all the nasty gunk. That's the one bad downside of having a white bike. So let's keep hitting these jumps. Give you guys a better look at all these jumps that are here. All right, now that we're done here at the grove, we're gonna head to this area called the trails. There's a good amount of dips, good amount of jumps. We're gonna go ahead and head there and get some good clips. Let's go. All right, so we finally made it. There's a bunch of little dips here. Well, not little, they're pretty big. This is the usual spot we come to. Once we're here for a little bit, we'll try to head out and make our way to the hiking bike. You just hit some trails. So let's go after you, sir. Let's get this. Woo! Too easy. super deep, super incline though, like super steep. But this one's pretty nasty too. Let's hit this one. Oh hell no! See what they did? They fucked them up. It's so nasty. It's all dry mud. Look at this. There's clumps of mud everywhere. See these? No, Alex. Look, they ruined it. They ruined it. You think we can still go up it?
Look at us climbing up.
I know, it's horrible.
Yeah.
No, right? Damn, that's horrible.
They look like you step on those.
Yeah, hell no. If you step on that, there's no breaking those rocks. Alright, well, let's make our way to the hiking bike. Alright, I guess we're making our way to the hiking bike because people decide to mess this up and it's just not rideable for us. Alright, let's make our way over there. Take this one right here. Sideways. Wait. Hey, is this way right? This way? There it is. You guys are never gonna believe what just happened. We didn't click record on the GoPro. We were coming down this road on our way home from this video. We were going back. We didn't see this cutoff. We thought it just kept going. So as we're going through, I was lucky enough to stop and completely just slide here. My brother completely jumped off this fucking huge cliff. You can see it was trail marked. Jumped off, landed down there, and we had to get his bike out, pulling it out. Nothing happened to the bike, thankfully, besides the handlebars twisting. But look at my brother's, look at his leg. Holy shit, thank God nothing else happened. Holy fuck. Oh, thank God it wasn't anything more serious. But God, I wish we would have recorded. I have a video on my phone. I'll throw it in there from where the bike was down there. Literally, there's a literal cutoff up here. Look where Alex's bike ended up. But that's like a good 10 feet of a fall. So we'll go ahead and head back. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there. You guys be careful out there. Deuces. We're here. Let's jump across. Really? Like this. Sideways, go sideways. Oh, look, a praying mantis. What the oh, it's not a praying mantis. Alex, look at this. Look at this insect.
Oh, it's a stick. It's a little sticky.
It's a stick insect. What the hell? I've never seen one in person. What the fuck? Bro, they're so sensitive. Look at that. I don't know if the capture's capturing it, but look. That's so cool. Wanna grab it?
No.
Look at that. It looks like a little stick.
It's camouflage.
Yeah. Its legs are so sticky. Dude, it won't grab off of me.
It has like little hooks.
Yeah, it won't let go. Let go, little buddy.
Just take it to the ground.
Get off. There we go. Alright, we're good. Make sure I don't run over him. Let's go this way. There it is. There we go. We're good. We made it to the hiking bike. Now, let's go hit some trails. Yeah. Watch out with people. Our people should watch out for us. There we go. All right. Oh fuck. Let's get this. Woo! There we go. Easy. Light work. There we go. Keep going. Oh fuck. It's so dirty there. So nasty. Straight or what? It's all overgrown. They haven't trimmed it. Woohoo! Oh fuck, almost overshot it. Yeah, we're already here. Light work. We're used to this. Oh hell no, imagine my fucking front wheel got stuck on all those branches. That would have been scary. Ooh. Wall climb. Or hill climb, should I say. Oh look, here it is. We're out. Yeah, yo. How was it?
That was fucking sharp.
It was sharp as fuck. All right, so let's you want to wear the camera?
Sure.
All right. We're done. Let's switch the camera over to my little brother. There. All right, so camera's on little brother now. I'll be leading this time. Let's get to it. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like one. Well, it says no entrance.
Yeah, fuck it, we'll go. I go first or what?
Yeah. We're back.
Downhill. Feel like a windy.
Big ass bridge. Cactus. Ooh, look right here. Oh yeah. Need a flat surface like that. And we're back. Alright, that'll be the end of the YouTube video. We're gonna chop it up here and head it back home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And on to the next one. Peace out.